Amazon Web Services (AWS) announced a $6.2 billion, 29.2 billion ringgit investment in Malaysia through 2038, showing confidence in the country's stability, said Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim. He also welcomed the launch of AWS Asia Pacific Malaysia region. AWS stated that this new region would boost Malaysia's GDP by $12.1 billion, about 57.3 billion ringgit, and support over 3,500 full-time jobs annually until 2038. The AWS region will offer cloud services to businesses, startups, and public sector organizations in Malaysia and the Asia Pacific region.
இந்தியர்களின் இதய குரல் மக்களோசை.